Oh my God, who let her come out the house looking like that? Hold up on somebody else. She is doing her. OMG, what do she have on?
She Ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
She Ratchet.
Beautiful. I'm gonna take this.
She Ratchet.
Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter.
She Ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too wrong.
See you Ratchet.
One buy and I'm with them shoes on.
Because you Ratchet.
Oh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Oh, she's too fake.
Ratchet.
Girl, let me tell you what I got, my Mr.
Girl, what?
A baby boy. And it came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club. And I love the flow. Those you whistle. I had to be cute today. I'm about to keep for a boot. I had to keep looking good, cause my baby did a chest made well. You know, here's your baby. Need new shoes today. Talk about check it today. Got the tracks yesterday. Girl, did you get the glue today?
You know it.
Gone, give it up. Mood trail. I like the 15. I got my food stamps. Got a brand new piercing. Brand new tag. Got $5 for this weed plus tax. Bow. Been a thing over while I stack my out. Don't really have this tangle up. Thinking that you better than I am. What did you think? You stupid? Whatever. She alive. My number. Whatever. What's wrong with you, girl? Oh, girl. Shh. Be quiet. Hey, girl. You look good. You look good. Turn around. Let me get your sweat. Okay.
I'll talk to you later.
OMG, what do she have on?
She Ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she Ratchet.
We take this level.
Cause she Ratchet.
Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter.
You know you Ratchet.
Because I ain't got time for this. I'm too wrong.
See you Ratchet.
Boy, bye. Y'all with them shoes on.
You Ratchet.
Ooh, what you wanna punch her in her face? I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake.
She Ratchet.
My name is Emanuela, but my girlfriends call me Carl.
Alright.
Before we 11, pregame, then we party. Yes, I am the bad. You can't have this boo-boo, sorry. Cause 2 Chainz is my future baby daddy. Got my jersey dress on. Jordan Hills match my press on. How? Team dark skin. You don't like them red balls. Look, look at my pictures. New app, you got glitter. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. I'm with Team Flip Ball. Team Chris Brown. If she don't shut it up, then it's Team Shut It Down. I'm with Team Bad Chick. Team with your man. If he got a lot of money, then it's Team Eating Paint. What you saying? I mean, he might as well spend it on me.
I'm gonna be rich.
Like nothing.
I'm on my job.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Girl, oh my God.
I'm with her. She looking hot.
OMG, what do she have on?
She Ratchet.
Her lace front is all on.
She Ratchet.
Give me the phone. I gotta take this out for picture.
Because she Ratchet.
Got it. Put this thing on Twitter.
You know you Ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
See you Ratchet.
What? Why? Not with your shoes on.
She Ratchet.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
Oh, she Ratchet.
I can't stand her. Ooh, she's so fat.
She Ratchet.
Maybe she look good with the leopard skin.
What she
Why would
gonna
you
do?
get leopard skin?
Yeah, you Ratchet. I think.
Look like
That's
Low
what she
key.
gonna do.
I got it.
It be some ratchet ass girls at my school. I'm talking about, you can see like they whole track. Like, if you don't get that type of like, you know, hairstyle with all the weeds and stuff, G, at least get your shit whipped the fuck up. Like, hoes be coming to school with hella glue all of it. Ooh, I can't. Ooh, ratchet hoes. Ooh, ratchet hoes. That's all I gotta say. That shit is nasty, honestly.